Am I an idiot for buying Bitcoin? Not sure, but it's $116,000 today, so it's all-time high. And this is sort of the one time I get to enjoy being quote-unquote right about Bitcoin. And you know, it might drop 1% in the next 5 minutes and someone will text me, say, you're cooked, bruz. But, oh well. So if you're anything like me, you understand that its price is getting further and further away. It's becoming less and less affordable. So get what you can while you can. It is the asset with a limited supply, the scarcest asset in the world, arguably the rarest item in the world. And so, of course, buy Bitcoin. You should have bought Bitcoin yesterday, but you also should be buying it today because its price is going to continue to go up, potentially short term, but forever long term. And it's something that you're going to want to be holding, especially as we go into this global adoption. It's now reached 4% global adoption. I think that will head towards 66% in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. And so it's got a long way to go. And I think also when you look at it as a $2 trillion market cap, and then you understand that there's about 1,000 trillion or a quadrillion, market cap across the world, the global market cap of money, I suppose, things that are holding value, things that are equivalent to money, then you understand there's a long way to go. So Bitcoin will at least do a 10x, 20x, potentially 100x in our lifetime, and you want to be holding some. So yeah, $116,000 today. Enjoy it, guys. Pat on the back for holding, pat on the back for all the World War III drama, and Bitcoin's still here. Bitcoin will outperform the stock market, gold, real estate, the dollars you're holding in your bank, basically everything. The only thing that might have an advantage on it right now is probably Fartcoin, but good luck trying to time that one. Thanks, guys. Cheers.